welcome back to Python Bytes video series. In this video, we'll see how to install Python on MacBook. We'll go to python.org. We'll click on download. We are going to download the latest Python 3.10.2. So we'll click on that. The file is downloaded. Once the file is downloaded, we open the file. The installer will come up. Welcome to Python installer. We'll accept it. We'll continue with the certificate. There's a license and we continue. It says you have to agree to the terms of software. We agree to it. This is where the software will be installed, Python 3. So we continue with that. So we take the default location to installing Python 3 and then we install. We'll ask for the password for the computer. The Python 3 is installed. Till the time Python is installed, please subscribe to the channel, like the video so that you are updated every time a new video is uploaded for Python Bytes. Now we can see that the Python 3.10 is installed. The installation process is done, so we close it. We can move the Python installer to trash because we don't need the installer. We already have the Python software now, so move to trash. And now if we want to see what is the version of Python 3 that we have, we can open the terminal, type Python 3 -- version, and it will give us what Python version we have. So we have Python 3.10.2, and that is the latest Python that we have downloaded and installed on this computer. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video. See you next time. Till then, keep coding.